Welcome back to Signature Series Rigs. The last time I left you off on Bleu was with a little bit of a cliffhanger. So today I'm going to fill you in on a little bit of the story and tell you where we are now. So as you know, I was the second caller on Bleu, and when the seller called me back, he was quite upset. He said, "Chris, we went on a test drive and the fella mashed the gas before the truck even warmed up, and it fluttered a little bit and took off, but when we got back, the head gaskets were blown." Let that sink in. When I got there and looked at the truck, sure enough, there was an oily substance, about a 1/4 inch of it, on top of the coolant in the coolant tank. Everything else seemed fine. Now, as I was looking over the truck, there was no overheating, no steam out the exhaust, no pressure in the coolant. Nothing was really adding up to a catastrophic failure. While I was standing there trying to make sense of it all, that's when the original purchaser showed back up. He pulled up in the driveway. He didn't get out of his car. He was actually conversating, I guess via text, with the seller's wife. And that's when she came outside and she explained to us that that was the original guy that wanted to buy the truck that made a much lower offer, and now he's back to buy the truck and wants to pay more than the asking price. Now, I can't prove what happened here, and I'm certainly not going to accuse anybody. By that I mean the buyer, potential buyer. But nothing about that sequence makes sense to me, unless something happened when nobody was looking. So the next thing I did, I bought it, and I started testing everything. And what I found is either really good news or bad news. Stick around to find out.